Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I have literally too much simple thing because it's just an illustration library, but not just. This is basically all of the users like avatar, gravatar, whatever you wanna say, avatar libraries for your next project, and it's commercially free, and there are different variants, like different variants of faces or avatars that you can use in your design project, and it looks really cool. To be honest, I have seen all of them and it looks cool, really cool. So let me show you what are those. Okay, so this is user picks from Craftworks, and if you know about Craftworks, they make great design. Like, it's a whole marketplace, so you can see other assets from Craftworks or design as well. They really make quality design projects. Seriously, quality design projects, and they have a lots of things. Like their UI is also cool looking, right? It's completely what, teenage engineer looking, yeah, teenage engineer looking, and also with hover options and all. Like, they know design, whatever, and their pricing is also good. Okay, their pricing is also great, as you can see it here. Like, unlimited stops for what the heck? Wait, unlimited stuffs for 89, and for team 199, whatever. So we are not looking at that today, but this is completely free. As you can see it here, the whole library is free, and there they say there are 100 free user picks. But now keep one thing in mind: 100 free user picks, obviously there are 100 picks of your users, and there are some examples how you might use them into your project. Okay, and they have circle variant as well as square variant. Now here is the thing: actually, in user picks, you will like in it, as you can see it here, this is a 3D design. Okay, so they are providing two formats, that is one SVG and another is a PNG. Now those particular 3D designs aren't available in SVG, because it's quite understandable, right? Like, you can't produce a SVG image of 3D design. That's why they haven't provided that. So only this portion of the like full asset that is not customizable. Other than that, everything, every other image that you may not image, every other illustration that you see here can be like can be tinker be like we can tinker with them and can be customized, and you can use it as per as your need. Okay, so here is the thing that thought I would tell you. Like, it would be great if you know it better. And that's it, actually, that's it from this video. Nothing else, nothing really else, because this is pretty much it. This is really simple video, and they have actually great assets. So if you want to try them, please go and subscribe to them. You can buy separate packs also, and like have a subscription also, that's also great. Whatever, that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you know about some of the great resource like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.